Welcome to Fix Me Master, your go-to channel for all things tech and troubleshooting. In today's guide, we'll delve into the world of VLC Media Player and explore how to access its video effects, helping you unlock new creative possibilities for your media projects. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open VLC Media Player. Simply launch VLC on your computer to get started. Step 2. Navigate to the Tools menu. Look for the menu bar at the top of the VLC window and click on Tools to reveal a plethora of options. Step 3. Access video effects. Hover over Effects and Filters within the Tools menu. A submenu will appear. Step 4. Select Geometry. Within the submenu, locate and click on Geometry. This will lead you to a world of geometric possibilities. Step 5. Explore geometric effects. Once in the Geometry tab, you'll discover a treasure trove of effects, including rotation, transformation, and distortion, ready to enhance your video playback. Step 6. Experiment with effects. Though VLC may not have a predefined puzzle game effect, don't let that stop your creativity. Experiment with rotation and distortion effects to craft your own puzzle-like experience. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to unleash the full potential of VLC Media Player's video effects. Whether you're a budding filmmaker or a seasoned content creator, remember to subscribe to Fix Me Master for more tech tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy editing.